Hello, I'm Anthony from the Appliance Doctors, and I am the Chief Surgeon at the Appliance Doctors. Now I got great news. Bosch just awarded us the 2021 Service of the Year for the Northeast region. Now there's 85 service companies in the Northeast region that are Bosch authorized, but we were the one who won this award this year, and we're very proud of it. We work in the toughest market there is in the United States, in Manhattan. It's very tough to get around. You're dealing with parking tickets all the time, tolls, easy pass, everything. But yet we were able to rise above the rest of the companies and win this award, and Bosch recognized the great service we give to our consumers. So if you need a Bosch or Thermador repaired, call the Appliance Doctors at 1-800-339-0353 or look us up on the web under ApplianceDoctor.NYC-Westchester, and you may see some people who are our customers that you recognize. So take a look at the website, and let me tell you, Bosch, thank you very much for this great reward. And to my customers, thank you very much for having patience with the Appliance Doctors and calling us up time and time again, and to make us a very successful business. After 43 years, started the business at the age of 22. And so after 43 years, we could still say we're going strong. Thank you very much.